Already got this 6-pack Van Westy Store 8.5 by 11 gold frame sign holders. And I want to show you how they arrived. These were sent to me for evaluation purposes so I can show them to you. But all opinions are going to be my own. So many different business uses and personal uses for sign holders. Obviously great for weddings, you know, that kind of stuff. Me, I'm a real estate agent. So these are perfect for open houses for me. I can put my open house material inside of these. And when people pass through, they can read everything that's going on with the house, the mortgage, all the other different stuff. They arrived in 2 different pieces. So we've got the 6 bases right here, and we have the 6 frames themselves. Now these frames come plastic coated in here to protect them during travel. It's pretty simple. You just peel an edge off and you wrap this thing off and you get a nice clear looking frame here. Pretty simple to set up. They just basically sit in there. So let's say you wanted to put a flyer in there. Maybe a restaurant menu, you just load it inside there. Simple as that. Get it lined up however you want it to. And the way I'm going to do it is just put this over the top, lock it in here, and there you are. That's an 8.5 by 11 sheet of paper. Something like this, I mean, it's really nice looking. It's got the nice, it's got the nice gold frame design on it. It's a little classier than just your regular straight clear acrylic ones as far as I'm concerned. This is going to look great for me at an open house. Maybe you've got a restaurant, you want to put menus out on tables. Maybe you're having a wedding and you're going to do seat assignments on there. Perfect for all kinds of businesses. Maybe you've got a flea market, you got some tables out front, you want to put prices in there, or a business that puts their stuff out on the sidewalk during a nice day. All kinds of different things you can do with these. So if you're looking for a nice 6-pack of 8.5 by 11 acrylic sign holders, easy to transport, easy to store away, check out these ones by the Van Westy Store. Check them out.